Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ban kantiw yak jingle ka drama haloran san hakani ke jala Meghalaya hakani ke kanti yak lempong pen ina mi ki drama yak balatem kom ka 21st Bharat Rang Mahotsav International Theatre Festival kabalas dang ningkong nadu snam khandai spa khandai khandai hakani ke kanti on pelong hakani ke nongba Shillong yakani la penpana da kan hon jong ka National School of Drama hakajin kando bat kinong patai kubor hakalai terek mentau benai rempang Usnam arhajar arpo Hashilong Press Club bat yakani kerensan keban pelong nadu kasau hadu kasipho terek mentau benai rempang arhajar arpo on pelong ringkat ke jingkersan lang da katnat arts and culture jong ka jela Meghalaya hakini ki indrius ngi nalor ki drama nakikin hon ki banakani ke jela Meghalaya kindan ru hadu anyotli ki drama nakikin hon ki bala shempang bat ki betben bagan top ki southli ki banakani kari India bat lightli nabari kata nakari Nepal USA bat nakari Russia But kini kijela ka ki banabari kindai haktin English. Yakane kerensan ke ban sapelong hasusutham auditorium Shillong. Man lakasngi on play paj ba da umentirang ba kajela ukonrat kongkal sangma. Hakajan miet jong ka sautrek mentau benai rempang arajar arpo.
Every day we have one show and it will run till 10th. And the theatre is Sosotham Auditorium where this will be happening every day evening. I think the show timing will be, tomorrow we are starting at 5 o'clock because we have an inauguration which will be done by our Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Cultural Minister will be also there to grace this whole function. And after that we'll be opening the festival with a production from Assam. It will be in Assamese language. In total, we have 7 productions in which 3 of them are international and 4 of them are national. In which 1 is Assamese, 2 of the productions will be performed in Bengali language and 1 will be in Hindi, which will be from Delhi. And then we have 3 international productions, 1 from Nepal and another one from USA, and these 2 performances will be performed in English language, and then we have 1 from Russia which will be performed in Russian language. So that's the total list of productions which will perform here. And we are very happy because these are selected performances from the long list of 91 plays which are going to happen in all over India. And particularly every year, this is the 21st year, every year we have this festival happening in New Delhi. And we call sometimes the parallel festival, sometimes we call it as satellite festival also. And so that's how this year it has been happening in Shillong. We do this festival because we bring in international and national theatre. That means people who are of different culture, they come in, and also then for the people here who are here, they can see that they can get exposed to it, and the exposure of the international and the national. With what we also do is we always have ambience performances, which are local, which will come from here. So for those artists also, they can also see what is happening internationally and nationally. And they can be also part of the festival. So that it's more of an exposure and also an exchange of culture, and it's also a relation of human to human, artist to artist in contact. So one can get more contacts, and people who are here, theatre lovers, they can also have more contacts with the groups, and later it can develop further.